If you're a CEO and you're not using LinkedIn with intention, you're already missing out. Not on traffic, on positioning, on trust. This video isn't here to convince you to post. This video is here to show you the exact system that we use with real leaders so LinkedIn will work for you without turning you into a content creator. If you want the full step-by-step system sent straight to your inbox, there's a link in the description below. You probably already know that LinkedIn matters. It's mattered for at least a year now. What you may not know is how to turn this visibility into a system that actually works for you, that fits inside of your life. You might have a crazy calendar, 27 calls per day, your high stakes decisions, your responsibility to lead a team, your board meetings, all of this to keep the business growing. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I work as a fractional CMO, and here's what I see over and over. Strong companies, great solutions, completely invisible leadership on LinkedIn. And today, this is a strategic disadvantage. Most CEOs do not fail on LinkedIn because they don't know how to use it. They fail because they don't have a system that removes the mental burden. They wake up every day thinking, oh, I should post something today, I should post something, but they don't know what or how, or even if it makes sense. They fail because they haven't realized LinkedIn isn't a social network. Let me repeat this. LinkedIn is not a social network. This is a real living, breathing website for you. It's your most powerful positioning asset this year. It's where trust is built, or it can be broken. Let me walk you through a system that we use, that I personally use at Strategic Pete, and the one that we implement with our clients. It doesn't depend on creativity or extra time. It depends on a structure, a system that's built with an intention. We call it the visibility with intention system. It's made up of 5 simple steps: actionable, fast, built specifically for CEOs for you. All right, let's get into step 1. Document, do not invent. Here is the mindset shift. Stop trying to create content. That's what holds most people back. Every time I walk to a CEO who wants visibility, they say the exact same thing. I have nothing interesting to say, or worse, I'm not good at this at all. Of course not. You're comparing yourself to influencers who sound brilliant every single day, but the truth is you don't need to be clever. You just need to pay attention to what's already happening. Every day you're already generating valuable insights. It's a tough decision. A phrase that you said in a meeting, a tense meeting you had with a client, how you manage your team, something you said in Slack. All of this is content that you can use on LinkedIn and find a way to make it valuable. You just have to capture this content. Here's how we do it. At the end of every day, I record a quick voice note, just like this, 2 minutes, tops. And if you were to send it to a friend, it'd be like, hey, today I realize not all clients are ready to move at the pace that we want. Perfect, it's a post, ready, written reflection, get moving. Or you could do a short video. You're not writing, you're not even performing. You're just documenting your leadership. You already had this conversation today. Now you're just gonna turn it into content. One of our clients, who's a CEO of a renewable energy company, recorded a voice note after a tough meeting, and the client wanted an installation done yesterday. Unrealistic expectations. Here's what she said, quote, a client wanted us to perform magic with impossible timelines, and it reminded me selling tech without educating first is like selling a plane without a pilot, end quote. That became her post. She didn't sit down to brainstorm a catchy idea. She just shared something real. Step 2, organize your ideas across 3 levels. Not every post should do the same thing. Some are for connection, others are for authority, others are to open up real business conversations. We break it down like this. Your posts should show your human side, a belief, a mistake, a tough call. For example, I lost a great driver today because I didn't listen. It turns out respect matters more than pay. That creates connection. Let's give another example that shows you how you take on the industry. Why logistic companies with 50 plus trucks can't scale? Their shift system collapses by month 3. This positions you as a leader. See that? Let's talk about one that shows results, some tangible outcomes. We reduce staff turnover by 40% without hiring anyone new. Here's how. Opens up doors for conversation. When you rotate through these, you don't sound like a CEO posting just to post, just filling up the airwaves. You sound like somebody worth listening, worth following to. Step 3, build a simple publishing system. I think this is critical. For me, I'm busy. it's going to be probably critical for you. If you try to come up with something new every single day, you're going to fail. You got to get better at thinking these processes out, the system. So here's the flow. Record 5 short voice notes per week, 2 minutes max. Your team then turns them into content for you. You review them, you approve everything in 30 minutes once a week. They schedule it all, and they schedule on tools like Taplio or Buffer or whatever you're using in-house. Boom, 5 posts a week, done in less than 30 minutes. You approved it, 0 friction, sounds like you, no daily grind. And yes, you're still running your company so you can make some big bucks. At the end of the day, go spend some time with your family because you only did this in 30 minutes. And yes, you don't have to be this content machine. It's one idea that turns into a content machine with a great system. Let's give another example. A CEO in a manufacturing records a voice note after a tense operational meeting. He said, quote, "We debated outsourcing part of our production, and I realized if quality control touches the end customer, it's not just a financial decision." The simple thought turned into a post that sparked a conversation among other executives, and it took him 2 minutes. No laptop was needed. His team took over. The system took over. Step 4, activate your silent radar. This part most people miss because visibility doesn't always make noise. I get this all the time. Quote, "Peter, no one likes my posts. No one's commenting. Nobody's resharing. Is this process even working?" Here's what I say to him. You're tracking the wrong signal. These are vanity metrics, even more so on LinkedIn. What matters is who cared enough to check your profile. If someone clicks through that little button that says read more, this is a signal. And LinkedIn pays attention to the signal. And with LinkedIn Premium, you get to see some of these signals. One of my clients is a CEO in the AG tech or agricultural tech space, said 80% of water loss isn't tech failure, it's poor decision making, end quote. Days later, this CEO noticed in her profile had been viewed by top executives at a major business provider, a big person that she wanted to talk to. No likes, no comments, but it checked out her profile. He went to go see more about her. She ended up messaging him and went like this. "Hey, I saw you checked out my profile. I just posted about water efficiency. Curious if this is something that you're working on, something that you need help with, something that we could collaborate on." This isn't selling. This is a real conversation. She knows what got the person's attention. She knows that that person's looking at her profile. And today, this is worth more than 10,000 empty views. It's your ICP. It's your ideal customer looking at you. Let's talk about step 5. It's my favorite. Ready? Repurpose. Repurpose, 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 repurpose. Don't reinvent, okay? 90% of your audience didn't see your post the first time. So stop obsessing over having something new every single week. Instead, take your top 5 posts from last month, rewrite them with a better angle, with a different angle or new perspective, and then turn them into a video short, a visual carousel. Yes, LinkedIn has them. Turn them into a powerful one-liner. Turn them into a joke. Turn it into email content. Turn it into a long-form script, kind of like this video. Here's how it works. And a CEO in the logistics once posted, "Our biggest bottleneck wasn't software. It was poor communication between sales and the warehouse." We turned this into a carousel title, 3 hidden blockers in your logistic operation, okay? We turned it into a video. The real issue wasn't tech, it was silence. Also turned into an email. When teams stop talking, deliveries fall apart. One thought. Multiple formats. Hold on. One thought from 2 months ago that turned into a good post last month, which turned into a new angle in multiple formats this month. This is not lazy, this is leverage. Now, none of this works unless one thing is clear. It needs to have your voice. Your take, your real life experience, your thinking. This can't be faked by a community manager or a marketing intern. And ChatGPT can't magically create this from nothing, but AI can help shape it. I tell CEOs all the time, set up a custom ChatGPT assistant. Literally, this is a thing. Give it context, who you are, what your company does, how you speak, who you're talking to. Then send a note to it. You can text it, you can voice it, and it turns into a post that sounds like you. We have one that sounds like me. It's like having a ghostwriter on demand for you. It's always on, always in your voice, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you're not sure what to post this week, just say, "Hey, write a post like I would. I had a tense meeting with sales yesterday. Here's what I took from it." You're gonna get something that feels like you. All you need to do is review and approve. I actually take Zoom calls from my team about things that they're asking me on direction and guidance. I'll put it in there. It'll follow my voice. It'll follow my prompt of what I do and who I help and how, and it'll come up with some angles. So you don't need more visibility. What you need is visibility that actually sounds like you. And that starts with finding a simple way to capture your voice. If you've made it this far, let me tell you something most people won't. Don't post just to post. Don't be on LinkedIn just because they told you should be. You should be there if you're ready to lead in public, just like you lead at your company. Translate that leadership at work to leadership on LinkedIn. If you don't know where to start with something simple. Open your phone, record a voice note, let your team do the rest. And if this system has resonated with you, you can get it sent to your inbox. Really simple, actionable, ready to implement. Link is in the description below. If you want us to turn this into a real system for your business that's gonna make your life better, send me a message. I'll show you how exactly we do it for CEOs just like you. See you in the next video.